If you're looking for a natural, immune, and digestive support in one convenient formula, this Resilia oil of oregano soft gels combines organic oregano oil and black seed oil to deliver 6,000 milligrams per serving. This formula is non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, and made without synthetic additives or fillers. Each package contains 60 easy-to-swallow soft gels designed for daily use. The soft gel format eliminates the strong taste of liquid oregano while maintaining potency. Resilia emphasizes clean sourcing and purity, making these capsules suitable for those seeking naturally inspired wellness support.